Hey guys, welcome to another video. I don't even know why I'm making this video, but this is how you can repost on Instagram. It's simple, and just because it's so simple, I'm going to be adding a few things that you need to know when it comes to reposting on Instagram. So as you can see, I'm currently here on my Instagram homepage, and you can see just from the buttons that appear here that you can repost these posts. And what I mean is that you can see this two arrows here that looks like they're forming a circle. That's literally the repost button. You just need to press on that, and then this video will be reposted, which means it will appear on your friend's timeline. They will see that you have reposted it. If you want, you can even add a note to it and say heh 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 heh. Okay, but yeah, that's one video. You can add a note to it, and they'll see what you think about it. Just remember that once you do, they can find the reposted video on your profile by going over here to the same icon, and this will show you all the videos you have reposted ever. So it's that simple. That is how you can repost a video on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.